Hello and welcome to Casi University. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up PIN on a badge access. Now in this video, we assume that you have XPressEntry installed, which you see in the middle of my screen here, and that you have your handheld installed, which you see on the far right of my screen. Now to set up a PIN on a badge, you need to create a badge and then add the PIN and then change the authentication on XPressEntry to allow you to authenticate by both the badge and the PIN. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to change the setting in XPressEntry. So to do this, let's go into settings and let us go into the reader validations. And on the reader validations, you want to select PIN and you probably want to say it's required. Hit save. And now, secondly, I want to add a badge and create a PIN with that badge. So let's go into our users here and let's expand this. Let me search for someone. Let's use Ball Ella. And let's add a badge. So I'm typing in the badge. You want to put in the PIN. So let's just say the PIN is 1234. And I hit OK. Hit save. Let's just minimize this back and let's take a look at XPressEntry and see what happens when we present our badge. It asks you for the PIN, 1234, click OK, and you have an access granted. But if for any reason you have the wrong PIN, let's say 1123, wrong PIN, it tells you that the PIN validation has failed. And if you have a badge that doesn't have a PIN, it would also reject that entry because there is no PIN. Now, because you've said that the PIN is required, remember that we can change the setting to make this PIN not required for those who do not have the PIN. So let's see how that works. Let's go into settings and let us change this and make it not required. Now let's see what happens when we present someone who doesn't have a PIN on the handheld. Now you get an access granted or an access denied depending on your access to that zone, but the PIN is not required if you do not have a PIN. But if you have a PIN, then it requires you to give in your valid PIN for an access granted or access denied, depending on your access to that zone. Now this brings an end to the demonstration of this feature. Please feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@Casi-rusco for any technical queries or sales@Casi-rusco for any product inquiries. Thank you.